Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing Drive by Incubus. Cool song. It's got some different chords, but the good news are we only have verse and pre-chorus over and over and over again. So the verse chords are the same as the chorus. Alright, so let's get to it. First chord, it's an E, play the low E, and then 7th fret, first finger, then 9th fret, D string, leave the G open, and play with your 2nd finger, play 8th fret, B string. Then the second chord is second chord is E minor 9. So that's 7, 5, 7, and 7. And then we got a C major 7. 3, 5, 4, 5. And then we got some kind of A minor. That's just 5, 5, and 5. E string, D string, and leave the rest open. Actually, mute the A string. So here's the changes. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. So, ba-da, boom, ba-da, boom, boom, ba-da, boom, ba-da. So down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Okay, and then for the pre-chorus, we go back to the C major 7. And then we hit an A7. So that's 2D, 2B. C major, A7. C major 7, A7. C major 7. And then back to the verse chords, but it's actually chorus. Let's go to pre-chorus. Let's go to the chorus. Oh! Cool. Very interesting chords. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy.